Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Test batteries or plug into USB and watch the LED. Once done, pick a stable mounting edge such as a table lip, stroller bar, or headboard. Make sure the clip grips without wobble. Now align the fan so airflow reaches your face or target area. Press until the clip clicks and give a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. That first secure placement prevents vibration and ensures efficient cooling. As you proceed to adjust speed and angle, you now choose the operating mode and refine the angle. Start on low to test noise and comfort. If you need more cooling, step to medium or high because higher speed increases airflow but also battery draw. Next, tilt the head in small increments, about 15 degrees, until the breeze hits where you want it. If your clip fan offers oscillation or a timer, enable those features for even coverage and energy savings. Make sure controls are reachable so you can tweak settings quickly. Finish by checking safety and performance. Tidy cables, confirm no fabric blocks the intake, and verify the clip stays locked. If airflow seems weak, power down, remove dust from blades and vents, and reseat battery contacts. Swap batteries or use a different USB source if needed. For noise or rattling, reseat the clip, tighten any visible screws, and add a small rubber pad to damp vibration. If problems persist, test on another mounting surface to isolate whether the clip or fan head is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.